Is traditional icing and wrapping leaving you cold and still in pain? Are you struggling to reduce swelling and speed up your recovery after surgery or an injury? It's time for a smarter solution. Introducing the Breg Polar Care Wave, a revolutionary system combining targeted cold with dynamic compression for unparalleled relief and accelerated healing. Integrated system, intuitive controls, cold and compression, customizable settings. Why choose the Polar Care Wave for your recovery journey? It delivers consistent cold therapy along with active compression, helping to pump away swelling and enhance circulation. This powerful combination significantly reduces edema and pain, helping you return to activity much faster. It's lightweight, quiet, and provides continuous relief, making your recovery comfortable and hassle-free. Don't just recover, rebound with the Breg Polar Care Wave. Ideal for post-surgical rehabilitation, acute sports injuries, managing swelling and pain, enhancing physical therapy outcomes. Talk to your doctor about the Breg Polar Care Wave. Experience the next level of recovery and get back to your best faster.